this is my bedroom. As you can see, it looks a mess. I just moved here about a month ago. I've been sleeping in my guest room because I don't have the furniture I want for this room yet. But today we are going to try to tackle the closet. I love my closet, but as you can see, nothing's done. I have not tackled my clothes yet. Alright guys, let's do this. I already know this is gonna take more than a couple of days, and the thing that's so funny, everyone who has seen my closet has said, there's no way that you can fill up this closet. And based on everything I'm looking at right now, I think they're very wrong. And so we're about to see. I'm just gonna start by hanging stuff up and go from there. I am realizing that most of my easily accessible stuff right now is all winter stuff. So I'm gonna start putting the winter stuff up on this back part of the closet. Alright, this is where we are on day 2. Not much progress has been made, but we're going to start knocking stuff out. I think I'm going to tackle this shelf right here. I think I'm going to put my jeans and or t-shirts here. So let's get started. So here's what that's looking like right now. I organized everything by wash. So medium wash at the bottom, dark black in my camos. And I think I'm going to put t-shirts down on these other shelves. Well, let's see. I have a ton of t-shirts, so I don't know if that's going to work. Back again. It's a long time later. I mean, it might have been a couple weeks since I've worked on this closet. So much has happened and been going on in life, and so haven't had a chance to work on this closet. But today I want to try to tackle hanging up at a minimum the rest of my clothes and my shoes, hopefully getting them organized. I'm worried that I don't have enough shoe storage, but we'll see. So let's get into it. We're going to start with shirts. I think I'm going to do shirts over here. And then maybe pants over here. Hanging up on that section because I don't have a lot of pants outside of my jeans, which I've already kind of like hung up over here. So let's get into it. Hooray. And don't mind my hair. I just am in between hairstyles right now, and I just washed it today. So anyway. Alright, so here's the progress on the shirts. I also put some pants over here. I need to finish up my shoe racks. I think I'm gonna have to get more shoe racks because I still have a full box full of shoes. And then I think I'm gonna put my purses up here. I have like a full box of purses, or maybe I'll put them over here. Right, so here's my box of purses. Something's telling me to just put them up here. Originally I was gonna put them over here, but I don't really see the point of doing that. So let's see. Alright, that's it for the bags. And I'm a little conflicted because I really don't like how this looks. I feel like it looks kind of messy because most of these bags aren't structured. So we might still have some work to do on the purses. I'm also realizing that I don't really wear like most of these purses, and so some of these might need to just go to the trash. My main purses that I wear are downstairs because I keep them in my mud room so I can easily grab and go with them. So I don't know, especially like some of these like super old school Michael Kors and Coach purses. I gave away a lot of purses before I came here, and I'm kind of like wondering now that I'm looking at them what my thought process was. So we'll leave it like this for now, but I could easily see me wanting to change this.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew aside, all the niggas round me, right at it, gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one really is a screenshot.
I don't even know how to hang up this. How am I supposed to hang up a tube top? Whatever.